Alright, we are here at Pine Hollow Lodge and drop the tractor off. Here's the project, huh? No, it's not quite in. How's the dam looking? That right there is going to have a swimming pool. And let's check the dam, see what's happened to the dam. Uh-oh. We have made it up here to what we call Herndon, but everyone else calls it Eagle's View. And what is going on here? So the hot tub is open. That's not normal. Well, what happened? What did happen? I don't know. The hot tub was open. Alright, let's check over here. What is going on? We got some huge rocks. Where did these things even come from? In the swings. Not sure what's going on there. Oh, that came from over there. We'll send them back over there again. Go, 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 go. Very well, very well. Alright, next one. Oh, that's right. They were taking pictures here, and the swings were swinging because it was windy. So, and I guess the photographer could put the rocks in, but not take them back out. Interesting. Very interesting. But hey, that's what I'm here for, I guess. Throwing rocks around. And looks like this is the solo stove. Either it blew off or somebody was here and was the oxen stuff. I don't know which one. I figure if it gets windy up here, it really gets windy up here. It's just my general thoughts. Alright, let's continue on around here. Oh wow, yeah. Oh wow. Yeah, some of these trees, all of the trees blew over, so we'll have to rethink that. There's chairs. What happened? Did a tornado go through here? Chairs are blown over. Looks like this branch cracked off the tree, so that means very, very strong winds. Well, the pitch and putt looks nice. There's the where you pitch it from, and here's where you putt it. Look at that view. That's beaut. Oh my goodness, yeah, that bench there was there, but now it's here, and here we got it again. Pickleball net blew away. This thing's almost down in the valley. Not quite, but wow, that thing took a ride. So I guess we got to figure out how to keep the pickleball nets on the pickleball court, because this is starting to be a problem. Which, come to think about it, we did not have pickleball nets like this in the fall/winter time yet, so that's a first. Here we are in the game room up here at Herndon, or Eagle View. I have two chairs to put together, and I'm putting them together in here because it's cold out there. So yeah, and the one thing that happens when you're getting an Airbnb ready for guests. Cardboard boxes galore, tons of them, lots of them, just can't get away from them. Alright, we're back out here looking at the pond. Got Ruben over there driving the tractor and filling it in. Wave! He waved a little bit. But either way, this thing is still leaking a little bit. So, but not as bad as before, so that's a good thing. We'll get it figured out here with time. Alright, here we are at the lodge. I have a few tasks here. Let's take a look. We have seal shower spout. Whenever you take the hose and aim it at the fixture, like at the water faucet area, it leaks. Can we see that with silicone or something? Whoo, shower spout. Alright, well, that's a little vague, but I'm guessing shower spout. No, I'm guessing it's up here. Well, I'm not seeing the issue. Maybe this is the wrong shower spout. Whenever you take the shower hose and aim it at the fixtures, like at the water faucet area, it leaks. Oh, maybe it's this one. It smells a little strange in here. Alright. I see. Yeah, that's leaking like a shit on us. That's loose too. Come on, guys. Well, that's gonna come apart. That's the only way we can figure out what's going on. Alright, let's get some tools. Alright, here we go. Got the straw down and got this a little bit leveled out. Once springtime rolls around, it'll probably have to be redone a little bit. But that's it. 4 something o'clock and it is dark. Alright, there we go. Pine Hollow Lodge. It's starting to rain, so we're out of here. No, it's quitting time. But yeah, we're out of here.